Hi, welcome to back my channel Vijay Tutorial Point. Today topic is the Google 10 top hidden settings. I will tell you the main this issue happy bogi Makara Sankranti and Kanuma everybody. The thank you watching my channels. We take dude 8481 and Vijay Tutorial Point also. Please subscribe, please share, please comment. Thank you everybody once again. Wish you happy Pongal. Thank you. Let us go to the video. Hi, welcome to back my channel everyone. Today topic is the most important topic the world has used Google. The top 10 hidden settings is there. The first one is the auto delete web app activities. Don't let us go will keep your search history forever. Set is the web automatically Google app and data and piracy. After that, web and apps activities and select auto delete the 3 or 18 months data. The Google password manager. Check if your saved password have been leaked into the data breach. Thus, go to setting and Google and autofill Google password manager. The next one is the find my device in Google. The so many people are know this every mobile operators. Now once again I repeat the crucial for location ringing or whipping a lost or stolen phones remotely. Go to setting and Google find my device turn on. This is the most important. After that, caller ID spam protection. This is the identify business numbers and block anything spam calls automatically. The phone dialer app, go to setting and caller ID and spam. After that, you go to the offline maps. Going to somewhere with bad network, download the map here before and of offline navigation. Google Map is the profile is offline maps. The quick share, nearby share, the fastest way to send large files or photos or the another device, Android device nearby with you internet. Quick setting panel, go to step down and tap quick share. This is after that the Gmail undo sending. The sent emails by mistake get you up to 30 seconds to pull it back after hitting send. The Gmail desktops, go to Gmail and desktop settings and go to settings and after that open general undo send set to the 30 seconds. The focus mode, digital well-being to distracted pause distractions and apps like Instagram temporarily to get work done. Setting the digital well-being and parental control. The last one is the lock folder in photos. Add sensitive photos from your main gallery, then open only with your fingerprint, otherwise pin. The go to Google Photo session and library and collections utilize and lock the folder. The 10th one, I Google Voice Match, as everybody knows. Once again, and I will repeat you. Use your phone entirely hands-free when you're driving or cooking just by using your voice Google app setting Google Assistant, a hi Google and voice match. Save this post for later. Please share, please comment. It is very useful. Everyone should know. Once again, I will repeat that you can use and is useful information. You can share your relatives and your friends, your colleagues, your students. Thanking you once again. Happy Bogi, happy Makara Sankranti. Happy Bogi, happy Makara Sankranti. Thank you. Your VG or tutorial point.